Hi guys, in today's video we're going to look at reactants and products, the species in our equations, the use of state symbols, how to balance an equation, and finally an exam style question.
So let's look at reactants and products. Well, in an equation, no atoms are created or destroyed. You have your reactants, which are what goes into the equation, and these are changed to form your product. This is what comes out of an equation. Now your reactants could be, for example, hydrogen and oxygen, and your product could be H2O, water. Anything that goes in is a reactant on the left hand side, and anything that comes out is a product on the right hand side. And what's important is we're not creating or destroying any atoms, we're just changing their arrangement. Species in equations. Now in our equations we represent the different chemicals that take part and the different things that take part as species. Now our species can take different forms. They're different types of particles. They include atoms, ions, molecules, electrons, and empirical formula. So let's have a look at state symbols. State symbols show us what state the different species are in. We can have a solid represented by an S. Now that could be something like magnesium metal or iron metal, and it would have a small s after it to denote that. We could have, let's do that in red for consistency. We could have a liquid, and that could include something like water, which would have a small L after it. We could have a gas. Now that could be something like chlorine gas, which would have a small G. Or we could have an aqueous solution. Now an aqueous solution is something that is dissolved in water. So that would include something like HCl, hydrochloric acid, which is aqueous. So let's have a look at how to balance an equation. Now balancing an equation is an incredibly important part of chemistry. It's a basic skill that once you learn, you will use for the rest of your chemistry careers.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific A-level chemistry videos, click the button. Join me today and together let's make A-level chemistry a walk in the park.